Hey, good morning YouTube. Today we are going to be installing the overlays on the front, the GT500 overlays on the front bumper, and we're going to be installing an overlay on the supercharger itself. So let's get ready with the cold start. As you can see here, it has GT500 in black. We did have overlays previously. We took them off when we removed the paint protection film. There's overlays there with Shelby, overlay on the Cobra, but we thought that doing the overlay on the GT500 would make it look a lot better. For the overlays, we're going to be using a little bit of water with soap solution, so we can get the letters in there, move them around, and then let them dry up and make them a little bit better. So we'll begin with cleaning the area. Now, once you have the area nice and clean, shiny, if your car has a lot of bugs, you might want to use a Q-tip, to get in there. In my car, it's actually pretty clean. I just washed it yesterday. So we are going to begin with the GT. These overlays come from Bimaro Inc. You can find him on Instagram. Bimaro's pretty quick. He gets the stuff over to you immediately. He got this over to me, Benjamin. He got it over to me in less than 2 days. Usually they fit on point. They're very good, so that's who I recommend for all your overlays and any vinyl or wrap stuff you need. As you can see, the soapy solution allows you to move it around, make it nice and neat in there. I will tell you, don't make the same mistake I made previously. I actually did it dry and I had to nail it right on the head, so it was a little tough. But Benjamin actually posted a video of adding the soap solution, which is a smart, genius idea. That made it very simple to get this just right. As you can see here, the 5 is a little tough. The 0 should be a lot easier. 5 seems to be the toughest one, but look at that, still coming out very nice. That soapy solution just really helps to get it in there and get it exactly where it needs to sit. So let's move on to the next one. Here for the 0, we are going to follow the pattern from left to right. So let's keep moving. As you can see here, the 0 actually gave me a little bit of a problem. I had to, take it back out a little bit and just mess with it a little bit. But it's there. There it goes. It's going nice, very good. So let's move on to the next 0. Well, there you have it, GT500. So let's take a step back, and yeah, that's what it was missing. Now it looks complete. It just didn't look complete without that GT500. What I'll do just here, just clean up a little bit of that excess stuff here. I'm not gonna mess with anything inside of here. We'll let it dry off. We'll let it get nice and dry and sticky in there, and then that should be it for that. So now let's move on to the one under the hood, to the supercharger. Here will be under the hood. If you can see right here, that Cobra looks very nice, but we are going to give it a slight touch. So it makes it look a little bit, you know, not shinier, but stands out a little bit better. So we're gonna start with cleaning up that little area with our soapy, trusted soapy solution we have. Get that nice and clean, and you know, get everything in there. Give it a couple of passes just to make sure. Oops, that was a dumb and double move there. Anyway, just get it cleaned up here, much clean. Get nice little shiny area. Now let me grab the overlay from Gamaro. Comes in this nice little box. Check this out. Look at the difference. It's definitely gonna give it a little bit of a touch to the blower. So let's begin with that. So we'll start again, soapy solution, nice and enough there. This one here is gonna be a little bit tough. So being that the snake is good size, you just have to make sure that you're very careful when you're peeling it off. Make sure that doesn't stick. Then you grab it from one end, then the other, and just start there. You could move it around, get all the lines. Make sure there's no bubbles. It's gonna move around there. It should dry pretty quick because we did a cold start, so the blower's a little warm. But make sure before you call it, make sure you have no bubbles, and make sure that you have it aligned where you want it. And right there looks to me like it's pretty close to, oh, they moved a little bit there. See the bottom here? We started dry, so we need to make sure again that it's exactly where we want it. To me, I am going to call it good right I'm gonna call it good right there. That's where she's gonna sit. So as you can see the difference, very nice. We'll wait for it to dry off a little bit, get, you know, nice sticky, and I'm gonna show you guys a before and after picture of the supercharger and the overlay. Then you guys can tell me what you think. So here we are back again. It's been about, I would say about 10 minutes, and that is nice and dry. Looks very well. And let's check the supercharger. Look at that. So what do you guys think? Does it add a little bit of character to it? That's to me it does. It's just something that's not too expensive. It's, you know, I think it was like $40, and for $40, you know, adding that nice touch to the car makes it just look a lot better. So contact my boy Bimaro. You'll find him on Instagram. His name is Benjamin. So if you find Bimaro, Bemaro, and I'll also put in this link below. So one final thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the hood, let you guys look at the outside with the hood down in the GT500. So give me a quick second here. We have nothing there. Okay. So what do you guys think now? That is what it looks like with the GT500. You know, a few dollars, very nice improvement, and that's probably the end of the adding red accents. I think that's about all it needs. So anyway, real quick video again. It's, you know, something very little can add a nice character, nice touch to your car. So until next video, we'll see you later.